Imagine recovering hours every week while an AI system researches your market, filters the noise, finds opportunities, prepares strategic insights, and even drafts content on your behalf. Pietro, you've built exactly that. How does it work, and why could it change the way professionals and executives operate?
This is not a single agent that takes action and is making all the complex research. This is related to a scheduled task that from a call from the main agent, that is the executive supervisor, the executive assistant, my executive assistant, is calling all the other agents, the specific agents involved in that research. And in this example, that is the LinkedIn daily actions, is involving all the other agents to do lots of actions. Mainly, he has the permission to connect to my LinkedIn profile, and is working together with the Chrome extension inside my Chrome browser to get the exploration of my LinkedIn profile, and at the same time to make some research, to make different researches that are involved into the specific skills. I don't have to do anything. This is the main thing, because it is a scheduled task, and so it runs automatically. It means that I need to leave the computer on, this machine on, of course, and I have to leave the browser, the Chrome browser open. He has permission to connect to my LinkedIn profile. He has permission to act inside each pages inside the Chrome, so he can do everything. And okay, while I'm doing something different, this is the main target. And I don't have to run manually. I can do it, but I don't want now, because it is an automatic process. So while I'm doing something different, having breakfast, for example, or after my training, after my morning training, or making some other things and leaving that new space in my mind to be involved to get better decision for the next day or for the next days, is working. We go inside this research because it is really interesting, and I think for a professional, for any person, but specifically for a professional, it is so important, because saving time, for me, in my personal example, this kind of AI agents actions saved me about minimum 45 minutes compared to a normal work that if I have to do manually. At first, the quality is not the same, because any agent has its specific task, and any agent involves specific skills. So once is running day by day, over and over time, is getting better, because it's improving the system itself. This is the main thing that I'm experiencing now. We go inside, and as you can see here, you can take a look of this short example. Start with the task, yeah, it's already done. This is the process inside all the procedure that he was following now. He was reading the memory file, he was calling the skill, the specific skill. He was reading also, okay, the key performance indicator reference that it's so important, because the request from my side is a result. I don't want to be involved too much into this, or at least I don't want to be involved for nothing inside this manual routine. This is an operation, You're notified, it's doing something again, so fantastic. Exactly. You read the memory, the skills, the KPI indicator, the person of interest, because when I'm looking inside LinkedIn, I'm looking for creating connections. So not to everyone, but something that I decided firstly is into my target, basically. Person of interest I would like to connect with. Then context, and then, okay, some news from the web and some news inside LinkedIn. This is fantastic because he can filter lots of information, and he knows exactly what my interests are, you know. And this is the main thing that is saving lots of time, He addressed to the news now, yes, as we see here. Okay, interesting, not only in LinkedIn, but in the website generally. From LinkedIn to connecting to the most interesting news regarding what is my main interest. You see McKinsey, HBR again, McKinsey again, some other website, yes, some other resources from LinkedIn as well. He's also able to make comments by himself. Excellent result. Okay, I found the great news. Yes, HBR again. Mid Sloan. Yes, HBR again. Okay, done. He's making some mark inside his activity. Now opening my LinkedIn profile is opening inside Chrome is opening into different tabs. So at the end of the research, I will find manually, I can see Chrome browser open into my LinkedIn profile with a few tabs added. This is interesting. Also, it's checking for the comments. Okay, this one we can, for privacy, we can make the blur screen. Follow-up completed. Yes, okay. Now it's waiting for the timeout because he's using the MCP, the Model Context Protocol, to connect some website, and not only the website, but to connect my Gmail account and send from the executive assistant one email, only one, directly to me. This is not normal MCP. We built together with the Cohort. I was able to build in Python code. I'm not a specialist of Python. I like coding, but I'm not a specialist. So we built together, but mainly he did 95% of the job for me. This is the most interesting part. Yes, now he's waiting for the pending JSON file that is some routine that is already installed inside the machine. So he's waiting for a timer, basically each 5 minutes. And once the report is ready, the routine sends the command to say to the machine, okay, call the function, call the protocol, and send the email to me. This is the final result. I don't want to lose too much time here to explain this one, but as you can see here, pending JSON file, okay, now waiting the timer, and automatically every 5 minutes, as is reporting here, it will send the email. Now the mail arrived, yeah. Because the routine was working, yes, right. LinkedIn Daily Action, Friday, today, now. All right. So after this process, I have only to do this. Reading the report, reading all the topics, reading everything. Some suggestion if I want to comment something on LinkedIn, or if I want to, some ideas with already the text done, if I want to make some articles, some posts, some ideas anyway, interesting ideas, based on a real research, including the fonts, of course. And to include the fonts, I ask him, do not include, do not invent anything, do not use fake news, because this reminder is inside the file, inside all the other agents, inside the system, that is my rules. So yes, every time you need to report the web address of the font. Martino, sign. Excellent. Okay, now you can think about, it saved me around up to 45 minutes. Think about what we said before. 45 minutes on 5 days, 5 working days. Think about the saving time for a professional. That is increasing a lot our mental space to do something else or to do something deeper. Something that requires our focus, that requires more our attention, you know. And that is fantastic. Okay, it is still at 90-95% because the function to send email is locked in one way only, from him, my executive assistant, to me only. At this stage, today, he can send email to everyone, to every address, basically. He prepared the draft, and I have to revise personally because at this stage, I want to do manually the final revision. It is 90-95%. Probably the day will arrive 100 because it's using my style, my voice, my tone, my writing style, basically. It's me. It's a clone, but it's me. And maybe in a few weeks, it will be able to answer directly because it's using my style, basically. But now on, I want to check by myself. So that is what a normal scheduled task can do. And okay, we didn't consider now all the time into make the research, to insert the prompt into a chat, to check the chat, to ask the chatbot to make another research, to filter the result, to do everything like that. Okay, you can do inside the project for sure, but because I'm showing you now the real report and the real work in all the steps, I can be anywhere and not here. Just leave one hardware machine connected and one internet connection. That's it.